Good morning, everyone, or afternoon, or whatever it is. Today is Saturday, October the 5th. Michelle and I are going to Tampa. We're going to try to do a vlog. You may or may not see this. Probably will, though. I really need to get a vlog out for you guys. So, come on with us. Since moving down to Florida, I think one of my favorite grocery stores is Publix. I'm waiting for Michelle. She's dropping some packages off. But yeah, we're heading down to Tampa. We're going to be going to Busch Gardens Tampa for Howl-o-Screams this evening. It's going to be our very first time visiting Howl-o-Screams in Tampa. We've done it in Virginia, Williamsburg, Virginia. I was not a really huge fan of that event there. There was a couple good houses, but overall, not necessarily a big fan. But I've heard good things about this one here, so keep my fingers crossed. But before we do that, we're hoping that we can go down to downtown Tampa and check some of the stuff out down there. All right, so Michelle and I are at Mercado's in Tampa. We didn't actually go to YBor City yet. We are going to be trying the devil crab, and Michelle also got a Cuban. We'll see how that tastes.
It's big.
It is. There's a devil crab. There's her pressed Cuban, the incorrect way to eat it. She wanted it hot. All right, I'm going in here, guys. Michelle's Cuban.
Oh. Not much pork, but...
No, not a whole lot.
And not much pickle.
All right, here I go. I'm making a mess. That's actually really good. It tastes like Maryland crab soup.
Okay.
It's crazy. It tastes like Maryland crab soup. As we're leaving Mercado's, there is a T-Rex and a raptor over there. Can't see the raptor anymore. Not sure why that's there.
Oh, we got a little smoke action happening.
Uh-oh. Somebody just blew an oil gasket or something's caught on fire.
I think they slammed the brakes on it.
Ah, okay. Okay, we are now in historic East YBor City. It is just on the outskirts of Tampa, and we are just gonna park and just kind of walk the main strip here. The place that we just had the devil crab, that was about 10 minutes west of here. No, I'd say east, maybe. I don't know. I have no idea where I'm at. No clue. This place looks pretty cool. Shrimp and Company. There's a place that sells shrimp and companies. Check out the tile work on this wall over here. That is really awesome. Columbia Restaurant Gift Store. So this is one of the things that YBor City is famous for. Chickens roaming free, or roosters, whatever you want to call them. Hey! It is an absolutely beautiful day right now in Tampa. Check out those chickens and roosters, or a rooster and chickens. Here's some more of the tile work on this building. It's pretty awesome. La Nina, La Pinta, La Santa Maria. Let's see, I thought I saw one of them is Christopher Columbus. One of them. Here's some of the history about this restaurant. Actually walked right past us and didn't see it. Hit the pause button. I did not know this either. The Rough Riders rode through here. It's a pretty cool grape press right there, or maybe olives. Not sure. We are parked in section C. Looks like Cheetah. And the tram stop is right here. We have never been to this park. We have no idea what we're doing. Not like Disney and Universal. We could pretty much walk around those parks blindfolded and find our way around. Not even sure how to get into the tram stop area. It looks like this might be the 25th anniversary for Busch Gardens Howl-o-Screams here in Tampa. They've got something right outside the gate here. Pretty interesting. It's like an old church. Please do not climb. Okay. Alright, so we got our wristbands and we are now heading into the park. It's kind of neat. First time here. So we are going to get a map. All right, we're about to go into our first house, the Uprisings, the Forgotten. All right, here we go. I think we're getting ready to go into the house now. There's some bikes right here. Looking kind of spooky in here. It's gonna get dark. It smells really bad in here. Take the vamps. Vampires everywhere. The Impaler. Missing the scares. Why? There's somebody up there. Big skull here with candles on it. There's vampires everywhere. Oh. Whoa, I think this was the first house. I think that was it. That's a pretty good house.
I like it.
Well, you didn't like it? It was fun. That was pretty good.
Thank you for choosing Evergreen Acres. Cut you all a deal on the Christmas tree. Welcome to Evergreen Acres, the last tree you'll ever
Is this tree okay? How about one of those trees? You want one of those trees? They're ugly. The tree, oh, that's a good tree. Yeah, you ticked them off. Yeah, tick them off. All right, this is Little Nightmares. It's a scare zone. So far, I'm really liking the scare zones at this event. A lot of fun. It's a little bunny rabbit. Hello. Hello again. Trick or treat.
You got candy?
No, I'm sorry.
Why?
Did she tell me to die? Oh.
You wanna play with us?
No, thank you.
Play with us!
That was a real ambulance.
I'm scared. No, I don't want to.
Okay, see this fog machine up here? During the daylight when we were coming over here, it scared the crap out of Michelle when it went off for the first time as she walked by. She thought it was a snake attacking her, didn't you? It wasn't normal. All right, going through our second house now. Michelle just got a major jump scare, so I had to turn the camera on. I was just going to walk through and not film. I just might let the camera run. Those bushes are fighting each other. We're literally going through this house by ourselves. There's nobody behind us.
The fire's taking everything.
quiet through here. Very quiet. Not a whole lot of stuff happening. That's a stat fake. Oh my goodness, this is looking very torturous. Red and yellow kill a fella. Oh my goodness. Ugh. This is horrible. All right, this is Stranglewood Estate. By the way, Michelle and I have front of the line passes. We're avoiding the lines, but they're about 30 to 45 minute wait. This house looks pretty interesting from the outside.
Welcome, dear guests, to Stranglewood Estate.
Seen better days. What the heck is that thing? Dead flowers. This is like a typical classic haunted house. Now we're going through the library. It looks kind of dark on the screen. I apologize. We've stopped. It looks something from over here a little bit. Jeez. Cleaning the bathtub.
I'll have you begging for death.
Oh my gosh, they're dead in bed. It's getting very dark. It is very dark. I think this might be the exit now. Might be the exit. Oh, there's spiders hanging from the ceiling. Oh my goodness. Oh no. We gotta crawl. We're crawling through here right now. Oh, this is rough. Rough.
Hurry up!
Jeez. I think we're out. I think this is the end of the oh, maybe not. We're in the greenhouse now. I think we're working our way out of the house now. Oh my goodness. Yes, I think this is it. We finally made it through. We made it out to the graveyard. And we're out. All right, so Stranglewood Manor was fantastic. Absolutely loved it. Classic haunted house, walking through a mansion. The set was fantastic, lots of scare actors, and they did a fantastic job. Definitely would like to go through that one again. Unfortunately, we don't have enough time tonight. We've got one more house to do. Once that one's done, then we're heading out. Who wouldn't like to get a drink from the Sweaty Yeti? I know I'd like to get a drink from the Sweaty Yeti. All right, we're heading into the Sawgrass Slaughter, Legend of the Sawgrass Skunk Ape.
He is real. Legends are true.
Oh my goodness.
Your bad boy. God damn, what's up? Speed up, son.
There's the man with the mask. See, that's the man with the mask. 3 inches away from
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, there's a man right there. You know what's up, right there? Oh,
Look at that gator.
that's crocodile.
Oh, it is. You're right. We're heading into a swamp. That's not really a swamp. There was no Yeti. There was no skunk ape. I was disappointed. All right, we gotta go back through the scare zone. The skunk ape is out of the cage. This person did not make it. Excuse me. Kind of hoping to see a skunk ape. hear them. Didn't see him.
We'll be back soon.
But check this out. This truck. There's chicken and fries in there. All right, this is Terror Through Time. 25 years of Howl-o-Screams at Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. Deceased. Nightshade toys. No. Deadfall. We went through that up in Williamsburg. We went up through Deadfall in Williamsburg. What are you looking at? Ah, cool. It literally is a claw machine picking up dead bodies and the carcasses of people. Oh man, that is gruesome. Gruesome. Deathwater Bayou. Hello. Yeah, come on, don't touch that. Ew.
Mothman?
Yes, that's Mothman. And we're back out. All right, one more house to do. Quite congested back here. We're getting ready to go through Raven's Mill, which is another scare zone. Come back and see us real soon. If I could just talk. You missed it, that scarecrow was alive. I hear cows. The jump scares are getting Michelle tonight. Uh-oh. Nowhere to hide. It's quite gory. Trespassers will be prosecuted. That girl got pulled in there. Did you see that? We made it out. Oh, look at the pumpkins. We made it out. That was a good scare zone. There's a Yeti. He's little. I got him on film finally, and it's probably going to be blurry. Alright, this is the Beyond the Veil scare zone. It's a scare actor right there. I do, I smell him. Oh no. This bus, the penitentiary. Oh, welcome to fabulous Las Vegas. Sin City Zombies we just walked through. We just went past the elephants. Hello. Pick your feet up. And the sparks flew out. All right, so this is our final house for the evening. Shadowlands. This is a new house for this year. Shadows of Wonderland house. That's what this is called. Humpty Dumpty, what happened to you? I guess he wasn't all he was cracked up to be. Oh, there's mirrors. Mirrors everywhere. Your head. Ooh. There's a big hand there. I don't think that's supposed to do that. I feel like I'm in a horrible, twisted storybook.
I'm madness now. Say goodbye.
I've spent the last 10 minutes telling him that there's no time like that. If you understood a quarter of what I'm saying, you'd only think I'm half again as mad.
Yummy.
The revolution will not be dry.
Are we being judged?
How could she be anything but guilty? I mean, really. God rides against Wonderland! Alice has been found guilty!
There's a lot of heads missing here. Oh, there they are. Found them. Ooh. That is disgusting. This is very gory. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! That was gory. Ragnar's Wrath. But first we're gonna get a drink.
Your blood will soil the ground.
Well, we made it out of the park, and that event was so much fun. I don't know if it's because it was the first time we've ever done it down here, but lots and lots of fun. Look forward to coming back again. Now it's time to drive home.